Hi, first grade friends. Miss Bursell here. We are going to read a story today together called Where is the President? And our learning target is I can tell the main idea and the supporting details in a text. And a text is really anything that you can read. We have used this ice cream cone anchor chart organizer in the past. And the cone part at the bottom is where we're going to put the main idea. And then the three important details from the story are going to go into the ice cream cones. So let's read the story together first. It is called Where is the President? And we're going to hear a little bit about the genre of the story. That means what kind of story is it before we get started?
Realistic fiction. Use the genre information below to help you read this book. Realistic fiction. The main character faces a problem. The story has a beginning, middle, and end. The setting could exist in the real world. The characters act, talk, think, and feel like real people. The events are believable and true to life.
All right, so let's get started. It is called Where is the President? And I'm looking for story clues in the picture, and I see that there's this big white building here, and it has an American flag on the top of it. All right, here we go. Today I am visiting the White House with my parents. The President of the United States lives in the White House. The Oval Office is where the President works. The President writes at this desk. Where is the President? Are we going to see the President? I asked Dad. No, we can't because the President is very busy, says Dad. We go to the White House garden. I see vegetables growing there. The President isn't here. Next, we go to the red room. I like it a lot. It has red walls. The President isn't here. Then we go to the library. There are lots of books in the library. The President isn't here either. It's time to leave. The visit is over. I slide into the car and look back at the White House. I spy someone in a window. A person is waving slowly from inside the White House. Mom, Dad, it's the President. All right, your job now is to think about what is this story mostly about. And you're going to write that or use your microphone to record that in the cone part of the ice cream cone on the next page. And then you're going to think about the beginning, middle, and end, the three most important details of the story, and record them in the ice cream scoops. If you need to, you can sure listen to the story again. All right, good luck.